Sou gat video sa nan 5 minutes map montre comment pour cuit pintad. And now guys, for the younger ones, game bird. Of course it's a guinea. But actually c'est ça Haïtien relè pour le du. En Haïti, nous relè le zoa. So therefore, if you guys are interested in actually buying a game bird or even going hunting for a game bird, m'va montre nou comment pour nous cuiter. Once you get your spice and everything going, of course, nous même haïtiens, nous mettons sel, nous mettons citron, qui deviennent notre trempé. But my advice to you, the first mistake that you should not make is add water to the meat. Because the meat is lean and then it's a wild bird, right? So à fait, if you soit regarder dans tête, ouais tête, soit regarder dans tête chaudière, mettons petit de l'eau sous tête li. Et puis wap ouais que même de l'eau ça mette, it's not magic, même de l'eau ça mette li condenser right through the glass. Okay? Slowly, okay, I'm getting vapor through the meat. Remember, do not add water. Okay? You will add water at some point, but as far as relaxing the muscles in getting the meat to tenderize under heat, you must use low heat. And then you can use steam. Like I said before, do not add water. Now, before you actually put the lid on, so à fait, wap pran couverture, mettez le bot, wap faut mettre ti l'huile. Mettons ti l'huile dans chaudière. Et puis qu'on y a là, l'huile là. Since the meat itself is lean, you're going to use the oil as fat to cook the meat. That's all it takes. Let me repeat that. If you want to add water, you're going to add water later on. Make sure it's hot water. Okay? Now, there's another method. I mean, if you got the time, ou ka chita la ou kampi. I mean, ou ka kampi. Ou pon l'eau chaud, ou pon bagay, bi tan zan tan wap sue li. That's called, well, nou rele ou sue vyan nan. But unlike kokou, so ap vi aux États-Unis, ou gen wap pon chicken wash ti nan Walmart, ou just like el nan l'eau l'bouille lagi. But sou ta reme manje un bon pintad, ou ta reme manger un bon poul du, méthode ça à utiliser. Alors, m konnen nou même ki grand moun, nou konnen faire manger, m'a parlé, c'est ba ti moun yo, Gen Z, oui mes amis m'a parlé là. So, guys, take a look at the video. If you appreciate it, I got more stuff. M konnen, you know, the Haitian Americans, we kind of have a class by ourselves, but I just wanted to throw this video out to see if you guys, you know, would actually appreciate it. And if you do, thumbs up, give it a like. You know the routine. Now, take a look at that texture. Look at that. You see that? Buccaneer style, baby. Okay? Take a look at it. No love lost. Steamed and seared. Guys, Chef John, Grab-N-Go Concessions. Leave it a like, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. Why not? Look at that. Wow. Beautiful.